Oh, it looks familiar. This does look familiar. Okay, no lives, no time, no invincibility, no maximum shots, in start. Everything default. We don't do them trainers. This looks familiar. I think this is actually a clone of Cheyenne Sisters. Single mode, double mode. Okay, I think I remember this one, to be honest. Why does it get faster now? Oops. Okay, what's up with that pipe here? Okay, no answer to that. Okay, so if you shoot preemptively like I do, nothing to be gained. Ooh, okay. Awesome tunes. I really gotta check it out. You know, I played the original on arcade a lot, I think. But not a lot. Do it. Okay, the controls in this are a bit wonky. But then again, it's a Cheyenne Sisters port, if I get that correctly. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. These flames allow me to shoot stuff, but I cannot destroy blocks anymore, which is inherently a problem. But wait, pressing space? Ah, pressing space! No, too late. Ah. Get this. Music is great. Not being able to switch anymore though. Maybe we get it now? Bumps? No? Same thing again. Okay. Oh man, I'm doing the same thing over and over again. Come on. So there we go. And I think the last life is our last life, yeah. We learned that we gotta wait here. As you know, patience is a virtue. Okay. Well, there we go. Okay, so I think that's the better way to approach this section. Okay. That might be in our favor here. There we go. Okay, they just jumped somewhere else. I have no idea where though. Oh, yeah. Okay. He removed himself from the premises. That's one way to do it. Oh no. Okay, that's fine. Ah. Oh, no, no. I want my name properly, not the typical AAA. Okay, it only gives you percent at best level climber.